Hello guys, welcome to the Indian Auto Expo. I'm going to talk about this G310 GS right over here. This particular one is fully kitted out, so you have more content to talk about, right? Come on. So R बोले तो Boxer, 1300 बोले तो इसका engine size 1300 cc, GS बोले तो इसका category. ये category आता है adventure touring category में. It is best for long rides and off-road. Talk about is this one right here. It is the BMW M-XR, also M1000 XR के नाम से जाना जाता है. This is the 1000 XR but in the M edition. M edition में color this is fully same engine as that bike I showed you. Okay, वो बाइक जैसा सेम इंजन है बट इसमें आपका क्रैंक वेट अलग रहेगा, आपका ट्यून अलग. सर्फ में यू विल नॉट गेट योर रीजनरेशन, आपको रिचार्जिंग नहीं मिलेगा. तो आप साइकिल चला रहे जैसे लाइक इट्स जस्ट फ्लोज, इट्स जस्ट लाइक यू नो देयर इज नो स्टॉपिंग यू सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फीलिंग, राइट? इट इज वेरी इजी टू राइड.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. माय नेम इज शिवा और इस वक्त मैं आ गया हूं भारत मोबिलिटी शो ऑटो एक्सपो 2025 प्रगति मैदान गाइस. और एक ऐसी कंपनी के बाहर में आ चुका हूं जिसका नाम सबको पता है, BMW गाइस. और हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं BMW की न्यूली लॉन्च बाइक जो कि सर हमें एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं. तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं BMW ने क्या इस बार लॉन्च किया है.
Good evening everyone. Hello guys, welcome to the Indian Auto Expo. I'm going to talk about this G310 GS right over here. This particular one is fully kitted out, so you have more content to talk about, right? Come on. So this, starting off, the biggest features of this motorcycle would be the engine. I would call this the biggest USP of this bike, right? So something called the reversed incline engine. Reverse incline engine बोले तो अगर आपका engine यूँ सीधा खड़ा रहता है, बुलेट शुलेट में सीधा खड़ा रहता है, few bikes have it forward lean. This bike has it reversed incline, right? Reverse incline का मतलब यही है, when you're sitting over here, everything is close to your hip. तो आपको balance और आपका handling बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है इसमें, right? And if you come over here, I'll show you one cool thing. If you notice the exhaust, ये एग्जॉस्ट ये इंजन में पीछे से निकलता है. बाकी बाइक्स में से सामने से घूम के निकलेगा, ये पीछे से निकलता है. विच मीन्स व्हाट, आपका एग्जॉस्ट का लेंथ भी आधा हो गया, द होल एंटायर हीट फ्लो इज अमेजिंग, राइट? एंड देन आपका इनटेक सामने हो गया. सो द एंटायर इंजन इज उल्टा और लीन बैक. सो ओवरऑल इट इज हेल्पिंग यू इन योर बैलेंस, इन योर हैंडलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. ये engine is invented by BMW Motorrad and no other brand can actually copy. ये trademark design है and this has been here in the market since 5 years and still high in competition.
तो सर ये मार्केट में कब लॉन्च हुई है वैसे?
ये मार्केट में करीबन कुछ 5-6 years ago launch हुई थी, but still it is high in competition, right? So it took its time to launch, yes, because of the design and everything, right? But yeah. Then it also comes with a monoshock in the back, which is adjustable with 12 steps. Comes with a USD forks in the front, okay, which is also mounted with a radial caliper. Radial caliper बोले तो इसका जो माउंट दिख रहा है ना, सुपर बाइक्स जैसा है, जो आपको ब्रेकिंग में, हार्ड ब्रेकिंग में, अग्रेसिव राइडिंग में बहुत हाई कॉन्फिडेंस देगा. Basically caliper फ्लेक्स नहीं होता है, that is why. So even mechanical features, if you notice, even the entire braking system, you get things like braided calipers, steel braided calipers, जो गर्मी में, very high performance riding में will not give up on you. The price ex showroom starts at 3.36 lakhs,
okay,
right? And then of course depends on the on road of various states. So yes, इसमें accessories के नाम से currently there is the hand guards right here, knuckle guards, knuckle protectors, the engine protection bars right here. फिर नीचे का बैश प्लेट हो गया. फिर यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें और ऐड कर सकते जा सकता है, which is like the USB port and everything. And if you look at the top box, that is an extra thing. इसका mount, this is stock, yes, but then this is an extra accessory. This is a special kind of accessory that we have called the Black Edition, right? Soft bags है, very stylish, leather, abrasive resistant and everything. So yeah, it's a cool little product. Next bike I'm going to talk about is the R1300 GS, right? So R बोले तो Boxer, 1300 बोले तो इसका engine size 1300 cc, GS बोले तो इसका category. ये category आता है adventure touring category में. It is best for long rides and off-roading. It gets a bunch of modes. It gets 7 modes or something that you can fine-tune for your off-roading purposes and your long rides and touring purposes, right? So if you come closer, this particular model, this particular variant is something called the 719 option. You see this? वहाँ पे एक emblem है ऊपर, option 719. इसमें आपको aesthetically and ergonomically आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें मिल जाती हैं. Like you get all of these moving parts, you get all of these levers as billet milled parts, ठीक है? If you talk about storage, these particular boxes are made specifically for this particular motorcycle, and they're adjustable. So electronically, बहुत सारी features है इसमें, like electronic lockable. There is a light and USB charger inside. Most importantly, once you open this, there is a dial inside that you expand this, and you expand this upwards, right? आपको seating के लिए, actually it is made for a bunch of customers, right? Like a wide variety of customers, right? So seating के लिए आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे, like high seat, low seat, comfort, उसका softness and all that. Then you get other 1300cc में you get 145 horsepower and 149 Newton meter of torque. That too at 6,600 RPM, right? Then if you come here, if you look at this suspension, front suspension a little bit closely, there is something called Evo Telelever suspension, which is also invented by BMW, and it is fully adjustable for your fine tunable for your purpose. And then if you look at the drive line, एक स्पेशल चीज इसमें क्या है, ये ड्राइव शाफ्ट है गाड़ियों के जैसा. दिस इज ड्राइव शाफ्ट. इट डजंट यूज अ बेल्ट, इट डजंट यूज अ चेन. इसमें लाइफ टाइम वारंटी मिल जाएगा आपको, एंड इट्स फुली सील्ड. इट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, so it works perfectly fine. There is no maintenance involved in it in that sense, right? Then it gets all the other nooks and crannies like ABS, traction control, adaptive suspension and everything.
प्राइस क्या होगा सर इसका?
Price इसका होगा sitting around 24 lakhs, 24 to 25 lakhs. That's right. We get like 4 modules, 3.36 lakhs extra, 3.36. Yes. इसका प्राइस होगा 23 to 25 lakhs, and इसमें 4 वेरिएंट्स आते हैं. So depending on the variant, of course, it varies. That's all. Talk about is this one right here. It is the BMW M-XR, also M1000 XR के नाम से जाना जाता है. This is the 1000 XR, but in the M edition. M edition में color, this is fully carbon fiber with the M Sport का livery, but then this is the only color available, right? 1000cc है, 4 cylinders है, और इनलाइन 4 बोला जाता है. 201 हॉर्स पावर है, जो आपको 12,750 RPM में मिलता है. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो हैव 278 का मैक्सिमम रेटेड स्पीड, राइट? कर्व वेट पूछा जाए तो फिर 223 kgs का कर्व वेट है, एंड 3.2 seconds to 0 to 100. It's a huge big bike and still does 3.2 seconds. Then this is इसका category. Let me tell you something about it, right? So the XR is actually long distance. Now if you talk about MXR, long distance with high performance is what I would put it as, right? It gets billet parts and a lot of adjustability. It's perfect for long rides, right? And also kills it on the track. All carbon fiber parts, M calipers, and you get 4 cylinders, adjustable preload suspension over here, right? Akrapovic का exhaust भी आता है. So it's a very cool bike.
Nice. So price क्या होगा इसका?
Price, let me just check one small second. इसका ex showroom price आता है 49 lakhs का. This motorcycle is an EV. This is one of the first EVs that we have produced, that BMW Motorrad has released. This इसका नाम है CE02. You have a few graphics over here that says CE02. Totally you'll get 22 sticker set in this, right? Then you get also suspension features like the other bikes that we have, like upside down forks, which is fully adjustable. पीछे वाला suspension भी fully adjustable है. And one cool thing is that everything is on that side. ये side में if you see there is nothing. बेल्ट ड्राइव है, मोनो शॉक है, और सिंगल साइडेड स्विंग आर्म है जो सब कुछ लेफ्ट साइड में आता है. इसमें भी आपको भर के एक्सेसरी के ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं. लाइक दिस इज वन एग्जांपल. लाइक द बैग्स आर कॉमन. इट कैन बी अटैच्ड टू एवरी मोटरसाइकिल दैट वी हैव, बट देन दिस फ्रेम इज एक्स्ट्रा, राइट? बेंच सीट आपको मिल जाता है, which is very very comfortable for short city quick rides. We also call it the e-parkourer, right? Parkour is an extreme sport which involves jumping and, like, you know, urban mobility basically, right? So we call it e-parkourer. It has 2 belts, one internal, one outside, and a drive shaft of the inside, with the gear ratios perfect for 55 Newton meters of torque at 1000 RPM. It's very quick. Speed बोला जाए तो 0 to 50 in only 3.3 seconds. So आपको ये भागती है गाड़ी, ठीक है? And you get a full range of 100% में आपको रेंज एकदम कुछ 95 to 105 आपको मिल जाएगा. Depends on how you ride, depends on what mode you ride. Let's talk about modes. Let's talk about the 3 modes I just mentioned. It gets surf, it gets flow, it gets flash, right? So flow, I would say like in trucker traffic jam mein you could use it. Surf mein is like a little bit more flowy traffic, but surf mein you will not get your regeneration. आपको recharging नहीं मिलेगा. तो आप cycle चला रहे जैसे like it just flows, it's just like there is no stopping you sort of a feeling, right? It is very easy to ride in it. But then the last mode, the flash mode, that is the quickest. You get maximum power out of this, maximum torque out of this, and you get maximum regeneration also out of this, right? Front and back disc brakes है. Braking को बोला जाए तो front and back disc brakes है. पीछे ABS नहीं है. There's only a single channel ABS. That's for fun basically. We can do skids and you can have a lot of fun with this bike.
And price क्या होगा इसका?
Price इसका ex showroom आता है 5 lakhs पे, right?
Oh.
Now I'm going to talk about the G310RR, G310RR. So this also has a 313cc reversed incline liquid cooled engine. All right. So same engine as that bike I showed you. Okay. वो bike जैसा same engine है, but इसमें आपका crank weight अलग रहेगा, आपका tune अलग रहेगा. And ये तीनों bikes में, the 310 bikes that we have, this is a ride-by-wire. So that can be adjusted according to what mode you have. This motorcycle also has 4 riding modes, starting from urban, rain, sports, track. Urban और rain में आपको full power नहीं मिलता है. That is for safety reasons, safety concerns. So you either use that in rainy conditions or in full-on traffic conditions, right? Then if you go to sports and track में आपका display का graphics बदल जाएगा. The whole display is different. The display is a lot more clearer, a lot more race oriented, right? In these two modes you get full power, full throttle response and a very smooth throttle response. आपका red line भी थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है, and you get dual channel ABS in this, which is made by BMW Motorrad without traction control. Price range, let's talk about price range. Price range, this one sits exactly at 3 lakhs.